on my side. Escape death to become immortalized. Afro on my head, the black samurai, number one. I bring my whole nation alive. I'm the leader of the clan, you could tell from the headband. Spirit of God become one inside man. Accept all challenges, leave them advantages. Sport won't cease till my enemy vanishes.
And so the tables have turned. I'm in night with you and I burn. What is sweet memories in revenge.
Yo, I'm the master of disaster. No one swing a sword faster. I warned you. There'll be tears after the laughter. Now 30 years after the rapture, more blood will be spilled. We start a new chapter. Fury in my eyes, sword on my side, Afro on my head. I'm a black samurai, number one. I bring my whole nation alive. Escape death to become immortalized. Yo, dogs out to chase these cats in the jungle. Rats wanna snatch that cheese in the jungle. Bears want honey from bees in the jungle. Birds wanna nest in the trees in the jungle. Squirrels trying to catch a nut in this jungle. Pigs roll around in the mud in this jungle. Lions on the hunt for the beef in these jungles. Hyena roll around 30 deep in these jungles. Trying to snatch ice from the penguins while I'm singling. I see Shorty Wop, she got those earrings jingling. They're jingling, baby. I heard ringling. Barnum and Bailey was in this place. Shit is crazy. What's a man to do in this jungle? Live life on the humble in the jungle. When hamsters come and try to snatch a crumb from you, what a man supposed to do in this jungle? If you could talk to animals in this jungle, would you allow them to stop and come amongst you? Would you break bread or instead get the 30-30 scope and put one in the head? Put one in the head.
And so